I gotta say, George, days like today are a little deceiving because I looked outside, looked sunny, looked warm, stepped outside, not the case at all.
Not the case. It is warm enough, though. I've got the fleece-lined spring jacket on, though. Hopefully, I'm not going to have to get out my winter coat here tomorrow because it is going to be colder tomorrow. And it won't be as bright. We got a lot of clouds coming in to the West Michigan weather pattern. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. Yes, indeed, we have cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Looking good out there. A few more clouds to the north around Fremont. Elsewhere, plenty of sunshine and blue skies. We like that. But again, it is on the cooler side. We're at 51 here in Grand Rapids, 40s to the north with a little bit more cloud cover along and north of US 10, mid-50s further south. Most areas are seeing temperatures as much as 5 to 6 degrees cooler than yesterday at this time. Lots of sunshine, though. We like that. Skies cleared on out after the rain ended very late last night. We only ended up with enough to wet the ground. Here are those clouds off to the north, US 10 northward. There's an extensive area of cloud cover. This is all low-level clouds coming down from the north with our winds out of the west and northwest over the weekend. Yeah, that's the kind of weather we're going to see. There's not a lot of moisture in this, so very unlikely we'll see any precipitation. But after we start the day with a little sunshine, boy, the clouds really thicken up throughout the day. And as the sun goes down, loses the heating of the day, we lose these instability clouds and we become clear. On Sunday, we're going to see lots of sunshine as the colder air pushes well to our east. Both of those days are going to be dry. It'll also be dry on Monday despite increasing clouds. We'll start the day with sunshine, but clouds moving in the afternoon. And yes, there will be some showers coming in, most likely during the day on Tuesday, and they may linger into Tuesday night. But after that, we've got dry weather starting on Wednesday and Thursday. But the following weekend, we have more rain in the forecast, but at least it'll be warmer. We'll get out of the cooler weather pattern. Temperatures tomorrow, mid-40s. Our average high is close to 60 now. We'll make up some of that ground here on Sunday at 54, and then finally 61 during the day on Monday. At the end of our 10-day forecast, you can see temperatures have an equal chance of being warmer or cooler, but look at all this warm air blooming off to our west. Higher chance that we'll see more precipitation, and you'll see that coming up in the 10-day. Forecast then for tonight along the lakeshore, mainly clear skies, mid and upper 30s, certainly cooler than last night. Low and mid 30s here with a wind holding up out of the west, so no threat of frost. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we are looking at temperatures in the mid 30s. 13 on your side forecast. Next round of rain comes on Tuesday. Just about everyone will see rain. Decreasing clouds next Wednesday into Thursday. Most of the next 5 or 6 days will be cooler than average. Then we're going to warm things up. Mid and upper 60s heading into the weekend, and it will get humid next Saturday and Sunday as we get close to 70 degrees with some showers and maybe even some rumbles of thunder next weekend. Is that a sign of things to come?
Yeah, I was going to say, we got to get over these chilly days, and we're kind of back to what a lot of people are going to be liking.
I think so.
Thank you so much, George.
It was a fantastically good-looking day here in West Michigan. A little bit on the chilly side. At least we broke the 50-degree mark this afternoon. What's ahead for your weekend? Well, it's going to be cooler in view. So that's why the 13 weather ball tonight is blue.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And if you're going to walk the dog like this big guy, Hercules, Jim, we're going to give you the green paw despite the cooler temperatures, but I'm sure Hercules doesn't mind. Clear skies, 50s this evening, 40s by 10 o'clock, and 30s in the morning. A little bit chillier than we have been used to. Less sunshine tomorrow. We have mostly cloudy skies on the way tomorrow compared to our virtually sunny day today. Winds actually might be a little bit stronger than today, so a great day to create green energy from the sun and the wind. To the north, along US 10 northward, there are some clouds, but just some clouds. We've stayed mostly sunny here in Grand Rapids after that rain yesterday. We had about 1/10 of an inch or so, but these clouds are going to be with us over much of Saturday. The showers along that cold front have now pushed well to our east. So we've got a dry but cool weekend on the way. Let's walk you through the weekend. Clear skies right now. We will stay mostly clear overnight. Tomorrow, though, lots of cold air coming down from the north, so we're going to develop a lot of clouds throughout much of the day after maybe some sunshine to start. And then toward the end of the day, they'll clear on out. I think the winds will hold up here both tonight and tomorrow night to prevent any frost or freeze, any widespread activity here in West Michigan, at least for the weekend, and lots of sunshine returning then on Sunday. Monday, we will start out with some sunshine, but the clouds will increase. Our next chance for rain, no change to the forecast there, will be coming in during the day on Tuesday and then leaving us Tuesday night, leaving us with lots of sunshine and eventually some milder weather later on next week. But tomorrow, temperatures only in the mid-40s. Our average high is close to 60 now. We'll only be in the mid-50s, about where we were on Sunday, like we are today, and then climbing finally back up into the low 60s on Monday. Farther ahead, this is beyond the end of our 10-day forecast from the 27th through May 3rd. Chances for higher temperatures return to West Michigan, and chances for more rainfall also return during that 7-day period. So for tonight, we're looking at clearing skies, or clear skies I should say, mid and upper 30s, a little cooler northern part of the lakeshore zone. Cooler in our northern counties, low and mid 30s here. Winds are going to hold up about 8 to 16 miles an hour, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll have a little bit lighter winds under mainly clear skies, mid 30s for your overnight lows. 13 on your side forecast. One of the other elements is there's going to be either breezy or windy conditions all the way through next Tuesday when we see that first round of rain. Decreasing clouds then next Wednesday. We'll start our big warm-up second half of next week. Back into the 60s Friday, Saturday, and maybe even 71 next Sunday. But along with the warmer weather also comes with a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm, especially Friday, Saturday, and next to Sunday. So trending warmer, but not until next week.
Okay, gotta wait just a couple more days for that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, George. Well, George, it sounds like those who have plans this weekend may need to bundle up a little bit more than last weekend.
Yeah, any outdoor plans, absolutely. It's going to be totally different.
Yeah.
We were in the 70s last weekend. We'll be lucky if we get to 50 here tomorrow, and not as bright as it was today. 13 weather ball as a result is blue. We have much cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Highs today did manage to crack the 50-degree mark, including 51 here in Grand Rapids, Muskegon and Holland, 54 the warm spot down in Kalamazoo, still upper 40s to the north. Again, within 1 degree of our forecast high. We still have a chance to tie that this evening, but at least we're back on track. It's been like every other day we're either on or just off a little bit. Let's continue to continue that streak, hopefully, throughout the weekend. Lots of clouds coming down from the north. So today we had lots of sunshine in the wake of that cold front that went through. This is an extensive area of cloud cover, but it is going to be thinning out on Sunday. So we got just the clouds coming in here tomorrow. There are a few clouds and maybe some sprinkles trying to reach the ground up around the Ludington area, but for the most part, we're going to stay dry. The concern is next several nights, how cold it will get. I think it will be above freezing just barely in most locations. Now on Saturday, watch the clouds build on up. Yeah, a mostly cloudy day, and it'll be chilly with a breezy west wind. Temperatures mainly in the 40s, but we clear out for Saturday night through Sunday. Lots of sunshine and still a bit breezy on Sunday. That's going to be another watchword. The winds will be on the higher side next 4 days. Heading into Monday, we'll start the day with sunshine. Clouds increase, but another dry day. All of those days will be dry. And then on Tuesday is when we will see our rain move back in, probably just prior to daybreak on Tuesday. And then exiting on Tuesday night, back to some sunshine and dry weather for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And then we're going to start to warm things up just a little bit. This is the week 3 and 4 temperature outlook, which takes us from May 4th through the 17th. Only part of the country that's experiencing higher chances for warmer temperatures includes West Michigan and the upper Midwest. during that 2-week period. Our highs start out at 66 and climb to near 70, so maybe 70 plus. Only spots that will have a higher chance for more precipitation. Right center part of the country, we have an equal chance of seeing more or less during that 2-week period. So for tomorrow, it'll be a mostly cloudy and windy day along the lake shore with that northwest wind 15 to 25, maybe gusting to 30, mid and upper 40s. That is all. Northern areas will be in the mid 40s, 48, the warmer spot there in Greenville. Not quite as windy, we'll call it breezy, but still gust to maybe 25. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, windier toward the lake shore than inland, highs between about 46 and 48. 13 on your side forecast. Along with the cooler weather, it'll be breezy if not windy all the way through Tuesday. Tuesday is when we see our next chance of rain. In the meantime, dry between that and Monday, and then Wednesday and Thursday. Chances of rain increase on Friday, and so does the wind. Look at that temperature next weekend, upper 60s and low 70s. Dew points may actually climb above 60 for a humid weekend. And there's also the possibility of some scattered showers and thunderstorms.